Guys, let's see if Ideogram Premium is worth it or not. For my own self, I'm solely going to buy it for the purpose of speed and efficiency that it's going to bring into my AI art generations. However, it has a lot of other benefits to offer as well, and by the end of the video we are going to see if it's worth it or not. However, before that, let me just show you how it performs in the normal free version. Let me type here an orange driving a Tesla. Let's see what it generates and how much time it's going to take. So normally the waiting time for a generation of an image is like 15 seconds, and we are already like 99%, and well, it's almost done. So we do have images of an orange with a Tesla, but not exactly an orange flawlessly driving a Tesla or like that. Anyways, as we improve our prompts, the results are also going to improve, but you have seen that it takes normally 15 seconds to generate an image in the free version. However, if we go to the subscription plans, let's see what the premium version has to offer us. So I'll go with the monthly one. So for the free version, if you are interested in this one, you have 25 prompts per day in slow queue. So what I just did was in a slow queue. You can check out the Ideogram community. However, you have no access to fast queue or premium features. All generated images are public and you cannot keep them private. And if you go and pay them $8 per month, the main feature is that you will have more prompts per day and less wait time. And they give you 400 prompts, like 600 images. So for each prompt, it's going to generate 4 images. And it would be in fast queue each month, yeah, 400, and then it would also give you 100 prompts per day in slow queue. So from 25 it would jump up to 100 slow queue prompts each day. Then you also have the Ideogram editor, and you can download in original quality PNG, and then if there are any new features, you will get early access to those as well. Still, the generated images would remain public, like you can read over here. Then comes the plus, and it would be $20 per month. We are going to buy this one, and the main feature is faster generations in private mode. You would get 1000 prompts, so that would equate to 4000 images per month in fast queue. And then you have the unlimited prompts in slow queue. Your generations would be private. I believe it would be like you can select between public or private. You can upload images for remixing. You will also have the access to Ideogram editor, and you can download original quality PNGs, and then again you'll have access to new features. Before we buy it, let's quickly just see what the slow queue is. So it has a delay between generations. Wait time varies based on availability capacity from Ideogram. Each prompt creates 4 images. And in the fast queue, experience faster image generation with shorter wait times. Purchase additional fast queue credit at any time. So if we have exhausted our credits, we can buy more. Each prompt creates 4 images. Yeah, same like the slow queue. With private generations, you can generate image in private mode. Simple enough. This is the one that I might try in another video. Ideogram editor. Draw an image and control the colors and composition of Ideogram output via the remix tool. You can also fix small issues with images and crop to your desired aspect ratio. Ideogram Plus only feature is that you can upload images and transform them using the remix tool. So these are the features that we are going to get with Ideogram Plus. So I'll see you after buying this one. So guys, I'm back after purchasing the Ideogram Plus, and now let's get to work. Since this prompt might need a lot more detail to make things perfectly, I'm going to change the prompt. Dodge driving a Tesla, and if we go over here, the ratio would be 1:1. For the visibility, let's set it to private. We couldn't do it in the previous free version. And now let's click on generate. The waiting time, oh wow, this well seemed like it's a bit quicker than the free one. So we have all these images of a Dodge driving a Tesla, though not completely perfect, but let's change it a bit further and we'll see if it's faster again. Kermit driving a Tesla, short from interior of the car. So here it shows the wait like 3 to 1 second, and when we go over here it's a bit faster, I would say, compared to the previous one. However, not like completely way too fast, maybe a few seconds faster. So we have Kermit driving a Tesla. Now let's again add something more to the prompt. So in this example I would add in India. So the progress, let's see. So here we have images of Kermit driving a Tesla in India. This one looks fine enough, but there's something wrong with the steering and the hand, so it isn't fine actually. This one has Kermit coming out of the car. This one looks fairly simple. Let's try to change the style. Let's go with the poster one and also the painting. Let's see how it performs. Let's click on generate. So here we have it. I would say it's a bit faster than the previous one. The previous one took like 15 seconds, and here we already have this image. So you see this one looks crazy enough. This one pretty average. This one I would say tries to embody the Indian suburb architecture. Okay, let's change it all together. Let's try something different since we have already purchased it. A cowboy purchasing Bitcoin. So with the same painting style we are going to generate this one. So it's being generated. Let's see how it turns out. So you see these ones seem much better. I would say way too better than the previous prompts. So we do have a cowboy, we do have the Bitcoin thing going on in the background, some digits as well. There's a dollar sign you can see, and here's the cowboy. Seems like he's using his mobile and presumably to buy Bitcoin. Let's see the other one. A cowboy with the Bitcoin. Yeah, fair enough. This one also has a Bitcoin, like a screen behind with the Bitcoin written on it, the Bitcoin symbol, and we have a cowboy. I wasn't completely happy with the previous generations. However, this one, I would say this one is interesting. So here we have the cowboy, and we also have the wanted sign with some QR code and Bitcoin written below it. So well, this seems interesting. Now the thing with this is that if I'm going to use it, although the slow queue was also fast enough, like it generated images in 15 seconds, however this one is slight bit faster, and I also get unlimited prompts in the slow queue. That's the benefit I see in this one. If you found this video to be helpful, I request you to drop a like on this video before you move on to see the other one. I've also made 3-4 videos related to Ideogram, how it stacks up against Midjourney and DALL-E 3, and how well it puts text on AI generated images. You can also check those videos out, and you might be seeing them on the screen to my right and left. And hopefully we are gonna see each other in the next one.